Today I am going to embroider this simple design. For all these lines over here, I am going to use chain stitch. Take small stitches, put the thread around the needle and gently pull up the thread. Again from here, take small stitches, this is how I am going to do these lines. Simple chain stitch. For doing these leaves, I have taken a shaded green thread. I'll start from here. I'll do simple lazy daisy stitch. Pick up from here. Take the thread round the needle. Pull up the needle. And put the needle down in front of the stitch. This is known as the lazy daisy stitch. I have taken 6 strands of thread for doing this. Again, I'll pick up from here. Put the thread round the needle. Gently pull up the needle. And put the needle in front of the stitch to secure that stitch. That's all. That is how I am going to do all these leaves. For doing these 3 flowers, I have chosen a shaded red thread and I am going to do satin stitch for these 3 flowers. I have taken 3 strands of thread. Don't leave too much gap between 2 stitches. That's all. This is how I am going to do these 3 flowers. Again, you come up from here. You must take the stitches very close to each other. This is how I am going to complete these 3 flowers. That's all. For doing the center of the flower, I am going to use French knot stitch. Put the thread round the needle 4 times and put the needle down. That's all. French knot stitch. And pull the needle down. That is all. Again, for the next stitch, you pick up the needle from here. Two stitches, 2 French knots will be enough for this. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 and put the needle down. That is all. You may do the third one also if you wish. For doing the leaves, I have taken a shaded yellow thread. I have drawn a line in the middle, as you can see. First, I will take the needle down from here. I will start like this. Then from here, you pick it up from here. Same line as this one. And go down. Don't pull the thread too much. And then you pick the needle up from here. Through this. And put the needle down. This is how I am going to do this. Again, you pick up from here. Don't leave too much gap between 2 stitches. Again, go down here. Pick the needle up from here. And put the needle down. That's all. This is how I am going to do the center of the leaf. Again from here. This and this more or less should be parallel. Down here. Pick up the needle from here. Sorry. And put the needle down. This is how I am going to do the center of the leaf. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.